Now we will start with this new chapter, microbes in human welfare. So first we will understand what are the microorganisms or microbes. So these are the organisms we can see only by using microscope or special device, and we cannot see them by our naked eye. So first property is they are ubiquitous. It means they may present in every type of environment. For example, they may present in soil, in air, in water, in plants, and in animal also. And they may present in extreme conditions also where no life exists. And we can see here that what are the extreme conditions where these microbes can grow. Even they grow or survive above 100 degrees centigrade in ice, in deep soil, and even in highly acidic environment also. They have remarkable ability to adapt themselves according to environment. It means they have the capability to change themselves according to their habitat. And some of the microorganisms are harmful to us, and mostly those are pathogens, and some are useful, means they can be utilized as the various food or to modify the food, to produce medicines, and we also utilize these microbes or microorganisms for the waste disposal. First we will discuss about microbes in household products. So they provide nutritional elements. They have been used in dairy products such as production of curd, cheese, buttermilk, butter, etc. And we can use these microbes as a food, and these are a good source of protein. For example, some of the algae and some edible fungi. For the fermentation of food products, these microbes have also been utilized. It means they have also been used to make bread and idli also. Now we will see microbes in industries. So microbes possess several characteristics. So these characteristics make them ideal organisms in industrial processes and production of several products. So first property is they contain a broad variety of enzymes. So these enzymes have been utilized to produce several products. Second property, they have relatively high metabolic activity. So the product will be produced at a high rate. The third property is their large surface area. Since they are present in many in numbers, that's why they make a large surface area, and this large surface area help them for the quick absorption of materials and release of end products. The fourth property is they have a high rate of multiplication. It means when we need more number of microbes, then we can grow or multiply them easily. Now we will see what are the use of these microbes in production of industrial products. So first is production of antibiotics, steroids, vaccines, and vitamins. Second is organic acids, amino acids also, production of enzymes, production of alcohol, organic solvents, and synthetic fuels also. So first is medicines, or we can see here that microorganisms have also been used in pharmaceutical industries, and these microorganisms are used to manufacture several medicines, including cyclosporin A. So these cyclosporin A have been used have been produced by a fungus Trichoderma polysporum, and these cyclosporin A have been used as the immunosuppressive while when the patient is going through the organ transplant, then these cyclosporin A have been given to the patient. The second is in production of organic acid such as citric acid, itaconic acid, gluconic acid, malic acid, and we will see what are the microorganisms to produce different organic acids. So first is gluconic acid. Gluconic acid is produced by many Aspergilli and Penicillia. Itaconic acid is produced by Aspergillus itaconicus and A. terus. Acetic acid is produced by Acetobacter. Citric acid is produced by Aspergillus niger. Butyric acid by Clostridium glutenicum. Lactic acid by Lactobacillus. The third product is enzymes. So these microorganisms have also been used to produce several enzymes such as protease, amylase, glucose isomerase, glucose oxidase, renin, pectinase, lipase, and several of the enzymes. So we will see some enzymes which have been produced by using microorganisms. First one is protease. So these proteases have been extensively used in laundry to remove protein-based stains. The second enzyme is lipase. These lipases have been used mostly in laundry industry, and these are used to remove oily stain from the laundry. The third is amylase, and these amylases are used in preparation of seizing agent in textile and paper industry, bread production, chocolate, corn syrup, and removal of spot in laundry. Next is pectinase and proteases, and these have been used in clarification of fruit juices. The next is glucose oxidase. These glucose oxidases are used to remove oxygen from soft drinks and salad dressings also. Alkene oxidases. These are again microbial enzymes, and these have been used in the production of synthetic polymers such as plastic. And the most important is streptokinase. This streptokinase have been used in the patient of blood clotting. It means this streptokinase have been used to remove clots from the blood vessels of the patient who have undergone myocardial infarction or heart attack. As we know that heart attack occurs just due to formation of blood clots or calcium deposition. So these streptokinases remove the clot, and it is produced by genetically modified microbe streptococcus. The next product is fermented beverages. So yeast, and especially Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is used to produce wine, beer, whiskey, brandy, and rum. Different alcoholic drinks have been produced based on raw materials and type of processing and percentage of alcohol. It means to produce different beverages, we can use different raw materials. and their processing will also be different, and the finally formed alcohol percentage will be different in wine, beer, whiskey, brandy and rum. Wine and beer, the one more important thing is the wine and beer are produced without distillation. However, whiskey, brandy, rum are produced by distillation of the fermented broth. Now we will see the use of these microorganisms in energy generation and especially in the production of biogas. So several of the microbes have also been found to produce synthetic fuels including ethanol, methanol, hydrogen and hydrocarbons. So we will discuss here about biogas plants. So the biogas plants are often built in rural areas where cattle dung is available in a large quantity because the raw product of this biogas plant is cow dung. So we can see here the setup of this biogas plant. So there is a large tank, and this tank is made up of concrete, and it is of 3 to 5 meters in depth of soil, and this concrete tank is called as digester tank, and above this a lid is present. When the gas will be produced, then this lid will go on upper side, and this is called as dung water, and it is the outlet. So here in influent or dung water we used to put the cow dung, and from here we used to collect the byproduct of this digestive tract, and the outlet will be filled with the spent slurry, and this slurry have again be used for the as a biofertilizer, and we can collect the biogas from this pipeline. It means the digestive in the digestive tank, when we used to put the cow dung, then it will produce gases, and this gas will make this lid means it will force the lid to go above, and the gas will be filled in this lid, and we can use this biogas through this outlet, and the byproduct will be collected and can be used as the biofertilizer. Now we'll see the details of the production of biogas. So livestock waste is used for the generation of biogas, and especially methanobacteria or methanogens are present in the rumen of the cattle, which produces gas, and the major amount of the gas will be accounted by the methane, and this bacteria also comes with the excreta of the cattle, it is that is gobar, and it will produce biogas, and that's why this gas is called as gobar gas also. The waste products are collected as a slurry of the dung is used as the fertilizer or biofertilizer also. Thank you.